Howdy folks, this is Ethan from TireChain.com, and today I'm going to show you how to mount a pair of 10-16.5 XDuo tire chains onto a tire. Now the first thing to note here is that it's missing the first and the last set of cross chain hooks. Now let me assure you that that is not a mistake, that is in fact on purpose. Because as I'm going to show you, when we mount it on the tire, you're going to use the included extra fasteners, and depending on when it is produced and supply chains being what they are, you will get either a set of shackles for each half pair or a set of quick links for each half pair. And you're going to use those to attach the first and last set of duos together to envelop the tire in a continuous mesh of chains. And this provides constant contact between the ground and the tire chains for extra traction. And another thing to note is that you have your short fastener and your long fastener. Your short fastener will always go on the inside of the tire, and the long fastener will always go on the outside of the tire. This particular half pair right here is a stud version of your XDuo. We also have a V-bar version, and as we'll see over here, a regular version, which is neither stud nor V-bar. As you can see, it's already draped over the tire, and if we look on the inside, we will see that the short fastener is already attached, and so are the first and last duos attached. Coming back to the outside here, so if you use this little shackle, or clevis as they're sometimes called, it's going to go like this. First you're going to thread in one cross chain end and then the other cross chain end. Now you're going to take this long fastener and going to attach it like so. Now we're not going to do anything with that beyond that just yet. This is just for purposes of spacing that we do that. Now we take this, hook it onto the side chain, and now we take the pin for this clevis, put it in there, and now we thread it in. After you thread it in, one thing that would definitely help you to do is to take a little piece of wire, put it into that little hole on the pin of the shackle, and then take the other end of the wire and put it either on the other side of the shackle or on the side chain or one of the duos. Doesn't matter where. The point is that little wire attached there will keep the pin from coming loose and getting lost. Now we're going to take this outside fastener, double it back, and lever it. That provides extra tension on there to help keep your tire chain secure. And now we hook it on this side chain back here. Having done all of that, one thing that it will definitely help you to do is to take this loose end of the tail, and again, get a little piece of wire, or really whatever you have laying around, and attach it anywhere else on the tire chain, just to keep it from flopping around and causing damage. Now, if the pair that you get comes with a quick link, the process is going to be much the same. However, at the end of the process, once you've attached everything, it will help you a lot to get a little crescent wrench. And once this thing is entirely closed, you want to just snug it with a crescent wrench to give it that extra little bit of torque to help keep it together. And that's about all, and I hope you guys have a great day.